Hi guys, today I'm going to take you through my unit reflection and what kind of changes and revisions I've made to this project over the years and after I got done teaching it this year as well. So first and foremost, as I've gone through my revisions and changed things over the years, I've added more structure to this assignment. I initially had it to where I just kind of let the students go and let their creativity kind of flow, but I found that while that led to some really interesting and unique projects, the content I was looking for didn't always come through. It was more of their own humor and their thoughts rather than kind of what I was going for. So I've added things like the storyboard over the years. So having them do the storyboard to where they actually have to draw out their scenes and plan how they're shooting it. It just makes things run a little bit smoother and kind of gets them to do what I'm looking for. I've also had them go through and review rubrics and look at the rubric and kind of grade stuff. So I've tied that together with student examples. So we'll go through and we will watch videos from previous years, and then the students will go through and grade those as if they were the teacher. So it gives them an idea of what an A style project looks like and what kind of those lower end projects look for. So a lot of things to do and don't do within it. The next thing we kind of talked about was the evidence of understanding. So one of the things that this project does is it has the students kind of work through each task and build on the previous thing they did. So they'll start with their research, then they go and write an outline, then they write their script, so on and so forth. So everything they're doing is kind of digging a little bit deeper, but also requires them to have kind of that base knowledge from the previous thing they were doing. There's also lots of opportunities for formative assessment, as I'm constantly having to go in and check and evaluate where they're at. And there's different points where they have to get my signature before they can continue on with the project, and I have to okay things like the storyboard and their plans and all that good stuff. One thing I really like about doing videos is it allows the students to be very intentional with what they're doing. The students who are most successful, they're picking their scenes and where they're actually shooting them. So they're taking into account things like setting, what the characters' names are, especially with immigration and what kind of countries or parts of the world they're immigrating from, costumes, all sorts of things that you don't necessarily get to see from just writing out a paper or writing out an answer. They can kind of add and show their thoughts a little bit differently. And next, there's a variety of assessments built within this project, as I kind of talked about earlier. So they start with their outline, which is just kind of that basic information. Do they have the points of immigration and what an immigrant story looks like? Then they take that the next step forward and they add the script. So they're starting to add some of those emotions, some of those feelings, the reasons, just digging in a little bit deeper. Then we get to the storyboard aspect, where they again can kind of take it to that next step and start to include things like that setting and that scene and how you want the shot and what kind of emotions you want your characters to be showing and things like that. And then lastly, we get to the final film, which you kind of combine everything and put it all in one. And then with the editing, you can kind of do some other really cool stuff and just continue to demonstrate that understanding. And then lastly, the student self-assessment reflection. This isn't something I really have done a lot of, but it's something I'm going to incorporate more. So one thing I'm wanting to start to do next year is have kids journal every day at the start of class and then at the end of the class, kind of like their entrance and exit ticket, and just kind of keep track of their learning. What did I accomplish? What did I do with this? That kind of stuff. And then the other thing I'm going to have them do is I'm going to have them write a film review. So they're going to pick a classmate's film and they will write like they're a critic, like a Rupert and Ebert type thing, and go through and review the film. And then they're also going to do that for their own film. So just kind of give them that perspective as well. So that is my project for this year. If you have any questions, just comment them or leave your feedback, and I appreciate it. Thank you.